Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this week I'm going to do a review on Daisy by Marc Jacob. And yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you the box, how it looks like they have like small flower particles all around the box. It's a simple box with, you know, a black cardboard, yeah. And this is actually 50 ml, and this is EDT. I'm going to show you the bottle. This is how it looks like really small. So this is Daisy by Marc Jacob, and the flowers over here. So my personal review on this Daisy by Marc Jacob, actually this perfume really smells like fresh daisies. It's not the kind of perfume where I would wear it every day. So this smell is really smells like daisy. So if you have allergic or you don't like flower kind of fragrance, then don't ever get this. But if you are up to a challenge where you want a different kind of perfume, then you should get this. Yeah, so this is something I would wear for maybe going out with my sister, because she would actually wear this out. This is how actually I found out this kind of perfume from her. Yeah, I might not be that kind of helpful on giving you guys a good review because I'm still new in these kind of things. But I hope that this review actually helped you guys in picking your fragrance out. And if you have anything, you can just, you know, drop by my Twitter, ZOMFG80, and tweet me what's your favorite fragrance, or you can leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe because I make videos every week, and give this video a thumbs up because you guys are amazing. And I'll see you in the next week video. Bye!